What's up guys, this is Dylan Reacts. Today I'm reacting to J-Hope Airplane. I just reacted to the Daydream and I really enjoyed it because J-Hope is my favourite member of BTS, so anything he does is pretty much awesome. I haven't heard this song at all. Like, I heard a snippet of Daydream, so I knew a little bit of it, but I've heard nothing on this, so I don't know if it's slow or if, like an upbeat. I don't know. So let's react. I don't know where that is. Where is it? It looks really nice. All of his clips, like all his other music video and this one, they're very visually, like, really nice to look at. This is cool. It's like a slow hip hop. Yeah, this is really cool. What car is that? Oh, he's got a necklace. Whatever it is. This song is cool. I reckon he looks the best in bucket hats out of all the members of BTS. Well, there's the airplane. Yeah, he looks the best in bucket hats. It's an old car. I think out of everyone's solo stuff in BTS, I think I like J-Hope's the best so far. There's just so many places like they're filming, like so many different shots. Oh, look at those cool lights. Oh. Same place as the other clip. That's really cool. Oh, he dropped it. Why would you drop it? I gotta listen to the mixtape. Yeah, that room's the same room as Daydream. I don't know which one I like better. I both like them both equally. Airplane. I don't know. I loved it. I really did enjoy that. Like, compared to the other one, they both got the same feel, just like a chill hip hop type beat. But the first one, I think the chorus of the first one, of Daydream, I think is just the best so far. But I don't think he has any more MVs, but he has the mixtape. So I haven't listened to the whole mixtape, which I'm going to be doing. But yeah, if you liked my reaction, be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys in the next video.